Hi guys, today I'm going to show you how to eat strawberry. Strawberry, yes my friend, strawberry. How to eat strawberry. I'm going to unbox this strawberry and I'm going to show you how to eat it. Just look, just fresh strawberry, yes. Just now I bought from the market. It's just fresh. Look, super fresh, you know. Yes. So how to eat? First of all, you must peel it off this lip. Okay? Because look here, it has some dirt on it. Look closely. Yes, just peel it off and wash in water. Yeah. Wash it carefully. Yes. What are they? Hello, it's ready to be eating now. It's something. It's very tasty, you know. Okay. So just buy the strawberry and eat for yourself and test it. It's very healthy, very tasty. Okay guys, see you in the next video. Please do subscribe, like and share with your friends. Okay, bye bye.